Hello all, welcome you all to my YouTube channel GK Study with Akanksha. Question number 1. What is the theme of the joint W of the three Indian armies for Republic Day Parade 2025? A. Unity in diversity. B. Empowered and secure India. C. Strength through unity. D. Defenders of the nation. Correct answer is B. Question number 2. Which state is home to India's first artificial intelligence university? A. Odisha. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 3. Which city in Madhya Pradesh have prohibited begging across all public places including giving alms? A. Bhopal and Indore. B. Gwalior and Ujjain. C. Rewa and Satna. D. Katni and Damoh. Correct answer is A. Question number 4. Which school is the only educational institute from the northeastern states to receive a Green School rating? A. Assam Valley School, Assam. B. PM Shri Government Senior Secondary School, Sikkim. C. Don Bosco School, Meghalaya. D. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 5. What is the name of the awareness campaign launched by the Indian Oil and Bharat Petroleum on fuel conservation? A. Paryavaran Suraksha Abhiyan. B. Saksham. C. Green India Drive. D. Urja Raksha Mission. Correct answer is B. Question number 6. Silahal Pumped Storage Hydroelectric Project is associated with which state? A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Correct answer is C. Question number 7. Which state government has adopted Transplantation of Human Organs and Tissue Act in March 2025? A. Telangana. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question number 8. Central Adoption Resource Authority operates under which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Women and Child Development. D. Ministry of Law and Justice. Correct answer is C. Question number 9. Vibrant Villages program is implemented by which ministry? A. Ministry of Home Affairs. B. Ministry of Rural Development. C. Ministry of Defense. D. Ministry of Tourism. Correct answer is A. Question number 10. Which state government has announced 20% reservation for Agniveers in state police recruitment? A. Bihar. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is C. Question number 11. National Archives of India functions under which ministry? A. Ministry of Tourism. B. Ministry of Defense. C. Ministry of Urban Development. D. Ministry of Culture. Correct answer is D. Question number 12. Which organization has launched the Campus Calling program to promote gender sensitivity and student safety? A. University Grant Commission. B. National Commission for Women. C. Ministry of Education. D. All India Council for Technical Education. Correct answer is B. Question number 13. Which state government has launched the Ankur initiative to boost urban growth? A. Bihar. B. Odisha. C. Jharkhand. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 14. Which village in Himachal Pradesh has been declared the state first solar model village? A. Raja Khas. B. Chitrakoot. C. Nichar. D. Hatkoti. Correct answer is A. Question number 15. Where is South Asia Regional Center of the International Potato Center being established? A. Patna, Bihar. B. Agra, Uttar Pradesh. C. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. D. Nadia, West Bengal. Correct answer is B. Question number 16. Which state government has launched Manjhi Vasudhara Campaign 6.0 to strengthen environmental conservation effort? A. Telangana. B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. D. Jharkhand. Correct answer is B. Question number 17. Which state has launched the country's first yoga policy on International Yoga Day? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Haryana. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is A. Question number 18. Where does the Subarnrekha River originate? A. Ranchi district, Jharkhand. B. Simlipal Hill, Odisha. C. Amarkantak region, Madhya Pradesh. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Question number 19. Which state has received the highest number of grievances on the centralized public grievance redress and monitoring system portal in June 2025? A. Haryana. B. Uttarakhand. C. Punjab. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Question number 20. The National Mobile Monitoring System is an initiative of which union ministry? A. Ministry of Rural Development. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Correct answer is A. Question number 21. Which state has become the first state in India to give agricultural status to livestock and poultry farming? A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Maharashtra. C. Gujarat. D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is B. Question number 22. Where was the first campus of the Indian Institute of Creative Technology inaugurated? A. Mumbai. B. Hyderabad. C. Bengaluru. D. Chennai. Correct answer is A. Question number 23. Mera Gaon Meri Dharohar program is an initiative of which ministry? A. Ministry of Finance. B. Ministry of Culture. C. Ministry of Tourism. D. Ministry of Rural Development. Correct answer is B. Question number 24. Which state government has launched India's first drone-based artificial rain trial? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Punjab. D. Haryana. Correct answer is A. Question number 25. Where was Operation Akhil conducted by Indian security forces in August 2025? A. Pulwama. B. Kulgam. C. Udhampur. D. Samba. Correct answer is B. Thank you and I hope you like the video.